Today we'll talk about how can you select, how can mention you on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on threads and replace. Just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. You go down, come here to mentions, and here you select who can mention you here on your Threads app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.